Okay, I'm gonna do a video of my sexy box with all these sexy stickers. Push that glue in. Let's see, I'm gonna go find it. Okay, let's get started. So, this is the first controller I got when I was like 7. I didn't know how to take care of my controller. Pretty gay. My brother's controller. This is my controller. And then use my controller when I was 7 for the what's that one called? The Elite. For the Elite. Here's my rapid fire controller. There's 5 buttons right there. My glow in the dark one. My controller I'm using right now. Oh, I forgot to show you this. This is my wireless headset mic. My crappy ass AV plug-in cables. Charger for and Xbox Connect, which is pretty good. My games, Modern Warfare 3. This is awesome. Almost like Grand Theft Auto, but better. Modern Warfare 2. Transformers Dark of the Moon, and this is Dead Space. I don't know where that case went. This is I don't know about that one. Dead Island, which is awesome. Call of Duty Black Ops. Fun game. I don't know where my Dead Space Batman Arkham City game went. This is really fun. It's like cool. And last, World War, which is pretty awesome because there's people that don't have no life in mod and they're pretty gay. That is it, I think. Okay, I think I have a few things to show you. I'm actually turn up everything. And if you want to play some Xbox, show you some Xbox play. Thing is right there. So yeah, my games helmet. Assassin's Creed. Oh yeah, this is my Xbox. HDMI, that's just my AV cable. Yeah, you can leave. My little kitty that watched me play games. So yeah, if you want to add me, my gamer tag is online capital O N L I N E S T E V E N G. I play all those games except for I play all of them except for Transformers. I play that like when I'm bored. So peace, yeah, if you want to play me, just add my game tag one more time.